Hey guys, today let's learn how to add pronouns to your Facebook profile easily. So basically going to be pretty easy, guys. All we need to do is to launch the Facebook application, and once we are already here, I want you to proceed with tapping on your profile right here. Basically tapping on your profile on your menus, tapping on your profile right here. Now tap on your edit profile option. I want you to scroll down until you see your details right here. I want you to go ahead and tap on your about info, and that is going to show you the option to add your pronouns. So over here I could proceed to scroll to the option to see our pronouns. I'm going to tap on my basic info, and I could basically now choose my pronouns right here. I'm going to choose he and him, and I could also change the audience of this pronouns, or basically choose where I would like this to be shown. I'm going to show this on my profile publicly. Tap on save, and I think that's going to be good. Now once you're done, just go ahead and go back onto your feed and go back onto your profile, and you should see your about info right here showing that you have he or him pronoun. And essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.